Hello students, as you already know and we have been discussing and talking about this is that philosophy optional, it is considered to be short and you can revise it very easily and all that. This is very true, there is no doubt about it, but for that you need proper planning. For that you need to have a dedicated time for revision, that to faster revision and especially answer writing. So keeping that in mind, we have devised a program for you, especially for those who are appearing for civil services mains 2022 with philosophy optional, obviously. A booster course plus test series integrated. What is it actually? And it is starting on 17th. Okay, further details you'll be getting on the website also if you want. Okay, so I would just like to go you through the details and how we are going to conduct it and all. If you have any questions, you can ask on the page also in the interview, in the YouTube page, sorry. So basically what we have done is we have kept a 15-day revision come previous year question kind of sessions where 15 lectures. Basically what we'll do is through the UPSC's previous years, we'll try to revise the syllabus, the whole syllabus, that is paper 1, Indian, Western, socio-political, religion. So we'll try to revise. We'll try to revise in 15 days basically because, so that every topic of that particular paper is touched upon, so that you will feel comfortable for your second reading in this particular season. And that also we thought of doing it through previous years because that's the best way to understand UPSC brain basically. So how UPSC thinks, what kind of questions they ask, how many times question gets repeated and all, everything will be very much thorough with. And generally it is also said that for somebody who is going for mains, it is always better to go through the last 10 years questions yourself. You write down the answers, it always helps. Okay. So that is the basic purpose behind this. That's the basic motive behind this. That the 15 days we'll go through the classroom where we'll discuss out things, because philosophy discussion plays very important role in philosophy. So we'll discuss out things and you will feel a sense of readiness for your answer writing. And the moment we go through this 15 days course, you are ready to jump into the test series. And obviously along with the test series, because it's a weekly test, you write the test on Saturday, then after 1 week, during the 1 week you submit, your papers will get evaluated and you'll get the evaluated copies. Then on the next Saturday you will get the proper video as to how answer should have been written, and that is also kind of a revision only, because that will be more like a revision, because you will be touching upon again many topics. All the questions will be new, obviously test series question will be new, and UPSC previous year questions we would have already covered in our booster course. Okay. So this is exactly what it is written, like, we are focusing on. So main thing is your preparation kick starts, before getting into this result kab aayega and all that confusion. Forget about all that, just jump into this and make sure that before result comes, at least you are touched upon all the topics of philosophy optional, so that the moment result comes, you're straight away jumping into the revision and answer writing. And next 2.5 months, it's all daily you dedicate some slot for this philosophy, and you prepare for yourself for the next week's tests, write the test, kind of get it evaluated, and obviously your preparation will continue without, so you no need to take a load of the planning as to मैं कैसे पढ़ लूं and कब क्या पढ़ूं. That we will take care, the sequence and everything will be taken care. And the most important thing, along with answer writing, I will be available to you anytime. If you are sincere and hardworking enough, I am always available to you, literally 24/7 through WhatsApp. If you have some doubts, some question papers to be checked, anything, I am ready. If you are yourself writing some answers, you can put it there. I will help you in improving answers. Okay. So this is exactly what we are going to cover. This is the same thing it is written. Basically, answer writing helps you, as you already know, answer writing practice helps in all the ways, because this is exactly what you're going to do in that 3 hours. And that 3 hours is the only time for you to prove, or time for you to fetch maximum possible marks. So you have to make yourself thorough ready for that. Okay, and if you practice enough, obviously you will be able to kind of predict UPSC's questions also, and that would certainly help you in the form of sense of easiness while writing answer, because some questions you might feel very comfortable with because you already thought of those questions. Okay, so just to revise, what are the deliverables? So 15 revision through PYQ lectures, 15 lectures basically. We'll try to cover all the topics of the syllabus. There will be six sectional tests, 2 comprehensive tests, then 6 detailed classroom sessions. Obviously, after every test, there is a detailed classroom session, and personal mentoring and handholding. Obviously, as I mentioned, I am available. Timely and multi-level evaluation within 7 days, yes, and flexible timing of the submission, because sometimes you are also busy with other things, so we accommodate those things, like your test series, GS test series, or some other ethics something you're preparing, your test is there. So for that we have kept it flexible. It's up to you, and also it's up to you. We are completely there for you. If you are putting 1 step, we will put 2 steps for that, so no need to worry about it. In details, you will also get on the website how the topics of the lectures are designed from lecture 1 to lecture 15. We have tried to cover in such a way that we don't want to waste much time of yours. We have to keep it crisp, but also we need to touch all the topics that are there in UPSC. So through questions, your previous year questions will touch upon all the topic, and you will have a sense of revision, and then when you jump into your own revision, you will feel very comfortable. So you don't waste time in your first revision. Okay, and tests details, you will get the the date and the syllabus, the topics that we'll cover. The test will be like we'll have kind of 3 tests for Indian, 2 tests for Indian, 2 for Western, 1 for socio-political, 1 for religion, and then 2 comprehensive tests. Details you'll be able to see on the website. So this is all I wanted to convey to you regarding this booster course, and I am very, very hopeful that you would like to get help, get use, and encash this particular opportunity for you. This is tailor-made basically so that, as I already mentioned, you no need to take botheration of your own planning and whether it is getting executed, whether I am in the right track or not, everything, when to do what, in limited time, how much time should I give for philosophy, optional, how many revisions, everything will be taken care. Just go with the flow, and any question you have, you can ask me. Okay, for further details, obviously you can go to our website levelupias.com and search for the philosophy. You'll get there. We are also in the process of running the philosophy foundation also for the next batch. There are some videos available of the philosophy foundation, the full videos covering the whole topic of that day. Around 10 videos, I guess, are available freely on the YouTube. I would like you to go through it. You'll get an idea. And if you have any question, you can get my number and get in touch with me, and I will be very happy to help you. So thank you very much, and all the best.